Hello Yatris, welcome back to our Yatri Cloud. I'm Mithal Chauhan, 2x GCP certified. Now here you can see the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator 2025 cohort 1 is live now. So in this program, you are getting goodies from the Google Cloud, especially as you can see here, the normal goodies, then second highest, third highest, and fourth one is the champions side. Okay, so this is some goodies from the GCP and it's a very cool, I'm telling you. So the goodies you will be getting a chance to win. Secondly, you will be getting the Google Cloud badges, skill badges, as you can see in the screen, right? This one. And third one is about the lab credit. Lab credit, that means you are able to complete all the GCP labs in a free. No need to pay anything. So this is the program which you can getting the goodies from your learning. So you are learning, you are knowledge your skill set, you will be getting something from your hands-on. In behalf of that, you will be getting the goodies from the Google Cloud. How much is interesting, right? So let's get start with your application. And for the application, what you can do, you can just click on to enroll into the program. So just click here into the new tab. Then you are able to open this form. Okay. Then what you can do, just submit this form one by one. So click on the next. Also next, after click on the yes, and then here you just fill out your basic details, and when you are going into the scroll down, here you need to enter the facilitator referral code. So referral code will be given in our community. Which community? This one, Facilitator Yatri. So just join us, link is given into the description, and you will find out the code in the description of the particular group, Facilitator Yatri. So join us. And secondly, here you can see the do you have an account of the Google Cloud Skill Boost? If not, just click on the link and create the one account here with your personal Gmail account. Then after getting done each and everything, you can submit this form, right? Nothing much important to say in the form. Just keep in your mind the code, it would be most accurate whatever I'm going to provide you. And secondly, your account, which must be the public account. So you need to public it via going into the setting, right? So that was done. Third one is about our point, how to collect the points, right? So back here, go to the home page and just go to into the point system. And here you can see, here is the 3 level. Each level have a 1 point. And the trivia also have a 1 point. Skill based, completing of the 2-1, that you will be getting the 1 point, right? So whenever you are completing the 2 skill base, you will be getting a 1 point. So you need to complete at least around 50 points to eligible to collecting the goodies. Clear? And if you collecting more than the 70 point on an average, so you will be getting one of the highest level of the goodies from the GCP. Okay. So this is some basic information about the points. How many points you required, and now question is that how you are going to collect this point, correct? So let's again back to the home page, scroll down and collect on the game, open into the new tab, and here you need to say first thing about the GCP certification voucher, the 50% which you can use the certified today. I also prepared one video how to getting this code and other information. So I will give you the link in the description and the I button. So check it out once. So back to our game. Here what you can do, just go to into the any of the game and click on the start. Correct? You are able to start this game after submitting the form, after getting the email from the GCP, and then you are able to start this game. If I'm start right now, then it's not giving me the access. Understood? So first what you can do, just submit the form. This is your first priority. Now here, after starting, you need to submit one code. This is the here, and complete all the labs one by one, and the solution will be given to you in our community. Okay, so join us the Facilitator Yatri. The same way you need to submit all the levels of to collecting the as much as the points, right? And this is the first come first serve basis. So please submit it within 3 to 5 days, at least within a 1 week. okay, then it's a very good for you to getting a swags and goodies. So yeah, continue with your submission. The lastly, what I'm going to showcase it to you, the trivia March 2025. The same way you need to complete it within the 1 week. So this is a weekly basis. So do it as much as possible. And this is some information about how it works. Okay. So that already I discussed with you. So that's not an issue. If you have any doubt, just ping me on our community or else me on the LinkedIn. We will connecting there and solve your doubts. So if you have any question, any doubt, just let me know. And to fill out the form, I will give you this code into the community and just join us, and you are able to get the goodies from the GCP and able to learn something from GCP. It's totally free. So it's investing your time into the learning and getting the appreciation from the GCP in terms of the goodies. So best of luck. See you into our community and bye bye.